At the time I'm recording this video, I have 8,000 subscribers and 1.8 million views. So whenever you see this, compare these numbers to whatever I have when you watch this. So you might be wondering, what the heck is this? And honestly, I'll probably forget about this by the... Oh, I'm shaking a lot. Sorry, my hands shake. Alright, let's set this down. Did that fix it? Yeah.
If I were to tell you 8 years ago that the individual you see here was a YouTube genius, you'd likely have laughed in my face. Back then, MrBeast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, was filming videos on his iPhone 5 in his bedroom. But fast forward to today, and this 21-year-old from North Carolina is running one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in history. In fact, every single video MrBeast uploaded in 2024 has amassed over 10 million views, a feat unmatched by any other creator, not even PewDiePie.
I don't understand. I just don't understand.
How did he achieve this? Well, in this video, I'll delve into why MrBeast is considered the smartest YouTuber on the platform. But first, let's look at the numbers. 250. 3 million subscribers growing at a rate of 1 million subscribers every month, with 300 million views per month. That's roughly $600,000 in ad revenue alone each month. Not too shabby for a college dropout. But what's his secret sauce?
I've spent the past week dissecting MrBeast's channel, and I've narrowed it down to 4 key factors. First up, his mastery of creating viral videos. While many YouTubers struggle to replicate viral success, MrBeast seems to have cracked the code. He combines various viral themes into one video, blending money, reactions, pranks, challenges, drama, and collaborations with other popular YouTubers. This fusion of elements ensures his videos land on the trending page consistently, raking in massive views. Now, how is anyone going to know your video is a viral making when no one see it? This takes us to factor number 2. MrBeast understands how to beat the YouTube algorithm. Click-through rate and watch time are paramount, and he keeps it simple by focusing on enticing titles and thumbnails. His titles are short, snappy, and often shocking, while his thumbnails, though seemingly amateurish, are instantly recognizable and optimized for mobile screens. Once he hooks viewers, he keeps them engaged with a straightforward narrative structure. Here is one of the examples from his videos.
I wanted to open a free bank, so I did what any logical person does. I rented a real bank, grabbed a ton of money, hired all my friends as tellers, and then bought a billboard and paid Chandler to flip a sign. And here's what happened. I asked the bank for $1 billion and they said no.
What?
So I made a graph.
It says we made a graph.
Yeah. And regardless, we're opening a free bank to put them out of business.
Let's go.
Yeah. Go give away money. Yeah.
Now, which takes us to the final 2 point, which is equally important, like the other 2 points.
Factor number 3 is MrBeast's approach to growth. He reinvests all his earnings into creating even better content, ensuring continuous improvement and innovation. This strategy keeps his channel on an upward trajectory, unlike many others that plateau after reaching a certain milestone. Listen what the man himself have to say.
My mindset, if you want to know how I always thought, I just always saw it as I just reinvest everything I make. Like literally up till a few months ago, every time I got a paycheck, that was just like the month's budget. So like I said, I saved up $1 a day to buy a microphone. When I made a few $1,000, I just spent $2,000. When I made $10,000, I just spent $10,000. So it's like as I made more money, I was just like, all right, well now I want to spend it on videos somehow. That was just my mindset. It's that simple.
Finally, MrBeast exemplifies how positivity can triumph on YouTube. In an environment often characterized by negativity, his genuine, positive persona has resonated with millions, proving that being kind and likable can indeed propel you to the top.
Wow, I don't even know what to say.
What you guys do is just a blessing, and I never thought in a million years that, I would get that opportunity, but I'm so grateful. You really are. Thank you.
You guys did a good job. Keep giving away my money. I'd rather not have money than see things like that.
In conclusion, MrBeast's success is no accident. It's the result of strategic planning, understanding the platform, continuous improvement, and above all, a genuine connection with his audience. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, there's plenty to learn. So don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.